Okay guys, I'm working on this. So this so far I got my bodice, and it's kind of like the other one. So it's going to be a one sleeve denim dress. But I actually think I want to bleach it, like do like a tie-dye, or probably have like the ends of the skirt. You guys see that, with more of a raglet type look. Like have the ends of it, like put it in the washing machine and have it like with a ragged look. And then I want to get some bleach and maybe bleach it. But you see I'm blending the two different fabrics together. So this is this part I'm gonna make the bottom of the skirt with. So I made the top part, gonna connect the sleeve, but just to kind of show you guys. So yeah, I think I want the skirt to fray, and it'd be a one sleeve denim, but I want to bleach it, so I don't have any bleach. So I just want to kind of show you guys so far what I got. And I don't have a long enough zipper, so I got to get the bleach. But I really didn't want this part bleached, but I think when I put it in the bleach, all of it is going to be bleached. So I'm going to connect the sleeve, and guys, see I took some of that going around the top. And yeah, this is the other part of it. I gotta just add the skirt piece. I'm gonna need a long enough zipper. So okay guys, bye bye. Okay guys, I'm connecting the sleeve now, and then like I said, I have to get some bleach and a long enough zipper, and finish the process. So this is kind of like that pink one that I did. But this one is a denim one. I was like, oh, I would like a denim. And I saw this fabric at the fabric store, and I thought that it was really unique. Oh, I'm not sewing up. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. Oh, I'd have missed a whole spot. Ah, you kidding me? Hate when I mess up. So okay, there we go. So getting the sleeve connected. So I'll show you guys what it looks like once I get more done to it. I gotta connect the bottom part, and I'm definitely need some bleach. So let me go around the sleeve one more time. Get out of there. Okay. So I got to get the sleeve correct, and it's starting to come together. You guys see it? Okay then, guys. I'm going to try to get the other parts together, keep it going. So this is what I got so far. All right. Hey guys, so this is what it look. I haven't connected it yet, guys. But this is the bottom part of the skirt. And this is what it's looking like now. So now I just have to put a couple darts in the back of the skirt, and then I'll connect this to this, and then I will get the bleach, and I got to get the zipper so that I can be able to get in and out of it. But this is what it's looking like so far. But then once I put the tie-dye, the bleach, and then it's going to have more of the raggedy effect of the denim, kind of like a rip. So I might add some rip effect going up here, but it's going to look a lot better once it get bleached, because right now I look kind of plain. I want it to look different. So I want it to be like real different. So, okay guys. Alrighty. Bye-bye. You guys won't see this again until it's done, until after I done bleached it. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like after I did the skirt. So, you won't see it again until I'm totally done with it and bleached it and add the rip effects to it and all that. So you guys not going to see it again until it's totally done. All right. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like right now. But remember, I'm going to tie-dye this and bleach it. So it's going to be a lot brighter. So it's going to have the rip effect. But this is what it looks like before it goes into the bleach. I ripped up the ends. And when you guys see it again, it's going to be totally different. But this is the end results before it goes into the bleach. Alrighty. Thank you guys for watching. Happy sewing.